Hello, and thank you for joining Rasmussen College Employer Spotlight. Today, we get to highlight Recover Health. My name is Jessica Colts. I'm one of the Senior Career Services Advisors with Rasmussen College, and I support graduates and students in Minnesota, Illinois, and Florida for our nursing, radiologic technology, and physical therapist assistant programs. Today, I have Jenna Towers, Talent Acquisition Partner, and Siam Lott, Director of Talent Acquisition from Recover Health, joining. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedules to join us today.
Thank you so much for the opportunity, Jessica.
Hello, thank you for having us.
Thank you so much again, Jenna and Siam. I want to take a moment and have Siam share a little bit about who Recover Health is, your mission, some of your values, because I know that there are plenty of students and graduates that may not be familiar with this organization.
Absolutely. So Recover Health, we are a home health agency. We provide care for over 11,000 clients annually. And we have a heart to serve all individuals that need home health care. And we serve all ages, and we love serving the vulnerable in our communities. And as far as our mission, everything that we do, it's our mission. So our mission is to create relationships that make a meaningful difference in people's lives. We are committed to providing an excellent level of service to our clients. So, in fact, when we are hiring, it's our vision to recruit and retain only those individuals who share our beliefs and our mission. So we're committed to bringing leadership to home care and the integrity to the business in every community we serve and in every way that we operate. So we're huge on just the integrity of this business. And we are also committed to building the cornerstones of our business on a strong foundation of service to others. Again, we are focused on serving our clients. And also we're committed to maintaining a company culture that encourages entrepreneurial spirit, shares its success, and values each individual's contribution. So it's a company where we definitely celebrate our employees.
I really love how it's kind of a two-prong approach. Certainly that commitment to service of the clients, but through the support and culture that's created within the employee base that really speaks volume about who Recover Health is. I was really surprised when I did a little bit of research as to the extent of services that Recover Health provides, as well as the number of locations. Can you talk to me a little bit about that, Siam?
Yeah, so in 11 years, we have expanded from 11 branches in 3 states to 30 branches in 6 states. So we have, again, over 30 we have 30 locations. We're in Colorado, Iowa, Minnesota, Nebraska, and South Dakota, and Wisconsin. We provide, again, we're a home health agency, so we provide various services. So we provide skilled nursing, we provide pediatric nursing to our kiddos. Also, we provide complex skill hourly nursing, as well as physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, and then of course home health aid services, as well as independent living services. Also, we have a business, part of our business is Recover Care, and that's where we offer private pay home care services such as companion services, home health aid services, as well as nursing and medication assistance.
I really didn't realize that Recover Health not only helped, the aging, the geriatric population, but also the pediatrics and then a variety of other skilled nursing that can really make an impact on any new nurse that's looking to start their career and certainly anyone that's looking for job opportunities. It sounds like there's a lot of growth opportunities within Recover Health.
Yeah, we are definitely in growth mode right now, especially with the geriatric population. Again, the demand for our services are greater than ever.
That's just wonderful. I wanted to kind of go then in, as you mentioned, with growth mode CM. I wanted Jenna to touch base a little bit as it relates to opportunities, job opportunities that our students and graduates could explore and kind of address some of those top hiring needs.
Thank you, Jessica. So as Sam mentioned, Recover Health is in growth mode right now, which is a wonderful opportunity for students who are coming up on graduation. Due to our growth mode, our really top hiring needs are RN case managers. So we're looking for those individuals who are graduating with their nursing degrees that really have a strong passion to work with our clients in the home to apply to those types of roles. We also have that on our pediatric side, so working specifically with our pediatric population as well as visit nurse positions and home health aide and certified nursing assistant roles. We are very flexible with our schedule, so we're looking for full, part-time, or PN for most of these opportunities. In addition to our top hiring needs, we also really have needs for some leadership type roles as well, such as clinical managers and traveling RN specialists on the regional and then statewide level, as well as our home office positions, which would be more of administrative support, IT, things like that.
That's wonderful. There's a lot of people that I speak with, that students, or recent grads that share they want to get into pediatric, that they want to get into travel nursing, and it's wonderful to know that not only do you have those positions that students could be interested in, those CNA, those flexible home health aides, but certainly our graduates that are looking for specific specialty. And then when you talk about management and leadership, it's great to know that there's a lot of growth within the organization for that individual coming on as, let's say, an RN case manager.
Yes, exactly.
Wonderful. Well, I want to really go into then how can we find these positions, right? Where can we apply? Those top positions that Jenna had talked about, our students and grads are able to go right in Job Connect. So the link is right on the screen, our Simplicity website that they can access through their portal or through Blackboard, through their classroom links, as well as certainly just by typing the link up in their web browser that they're using, and they can access the specific top jobs, and there's the IDs that you see on the screen. But it's important to just really assert that, well, Recover Health is definitely interested in speaking with Rasmussen College candidates. There really is never a guarantee that they will be offered a position within your organization. However, it's a great opportunity to certainly apply and have that starting discussion with Jenna. And Jenna, where else can you find those other positions and more as they come available?
Jessica, that's a great question. Anyone can find an open opportunity at our company website, which is displayed on the screen. You can also reach out to me directly at my personal email for work, and I'm happy to have a conversation with you and share with you opportunities directly related to the area you're looking for.
Wonderful. That's great to know. I think sometimes it is hard to challenge. It can be very challenging to navigate. Okay, I applied. How do I follow up? So thank you for sharing your contact information, Jenna. I know that that helps with students and grads wanting to get more information and really assert their desire to work for you guys. I kind of want to shift gears a little bit. I mean, it's great to know more about Recover. Certainly, any of those opportunities that you guys certainly have to offer. But I really would like to lean in on you guys as experts in terms of industry trends. And specifically, Jenna, what new technological developments or upcoming changes job seekers should be aware of at this point?
Jessica, that's a really great question. I think there's lots of things that are changing right now within our employment market, but specifically related to technological developments, I feel that really having a strong understanding of working with a computer or the Microsoft Office suite, that's becoming more and more of an important factor for anyone in any type of field to be successful in a job. So really making sure that we're keeping up on those technological developments as it would relate to the computer programs are very important. And in addition to, right now, there's a lot of changes in the employment market, right? So continuing to apply and really, making sure that you tailor your resume to those specific jobs you're applying for will really help you stand out in the sea of people who are applying, since there are a lot of individuals looking for work right now. So I think as a job seeker, really focusing on tailoring that resume is something that's even more important now than ever before.
I am so glad that you said that. That's something that myself and my counterparts assert day in and day out is that customization of the resume, that tailoring to the position. But you really bring up a really good point that now more than ever, having competency in technology and being able to articulate your competency within Microsoft Office Suite and others is so essential. I really appreciate your insight on that, Jenna. Siam, what would you say, specific advice to our viewers about working in home health care?
Yes, home health care is the future of healthcare. With more and more people wanting to receive care in their homes. We take a lot of pride in, helping people recuperate in their homes, and we take a lot of pride in, keeping people out of the hospitals, especially with, COVID-19. So the demand for our services are out there. In fact, if we can hire more nurses, we can definitely serve more clients, and that's kind of our bottom line is to serve more clients. As many clients as we can.
I think that's amazing to hear that the focus is, and we know we need to hire more. That's a really profound statement. And furthermore, I haven't had anyone so eloquently articulate that the necessity of keeping people out of the hospital by leveraging home health as a way to minimize any exposure to COVID. And so, I think that is a really important perspective for people to have. We talked, that was kind of high level on home health, but is there anything else, Siam, that, you'd like to share about Recover Health that we haven't yet had the opportunity to hear?
Well, yeah, like I mentioned, we're very mission focused, and, at Recover Health, I just want to reiterate that, we have a heart, to serve all individuals that need home care. So that was one of the things I didn't mention earlier. One of the things that Jen and I take a lot of pride in being a part of the Recover Health family is that we're very community based, so we serve all payers. So we're committed to serving clients, the vulnerable clients in our communities. So that's one thing. And the other thing is specific to the audience that may be attending this virtual fair is that we have a really strong, intensive 8-week preceptor program for all of our new RN case managers. So again, we provide training, a pretty intensive training program. So again, we love new college graduates.
That is fantastic to know. I think that there's a lot of hesitation There's so much focus to finish the program, pass the boards, and then of course that next phase is then going through an interview process and getting hired. But it's also gaining that confidence and knowing that you have that 8-week, rigorous preceptorship mentor type of training that is in place for new RNs is certainly speaks volume of the organization and the commitment you have to not only serve those vulnerable communities, those vulnerable individuals that you shared, but more importantly, make sure that you are serving them with properly trained RNs. And, I think that speaks volume for who Recover Health is. I really want to thank Jenna, thank Seem for, again, taking time, sharing a little bit about who Recover Health is and current opportunities for our students and grads that are actively looking for employment. This recording, along with our other employer spotlights, can be found on our Rasmussen College YouTube channel. I want to, again, thank you so much, Jenna and Siam. It was a pleasure to speak with you today.
Thank you.
Jessica. It was a wonderful opportunity.
Take care and be well, all.